Hello there. Good morning again for the third time today. Joseph, what is happening to you? You have a boring face, a tired. He fell from his chair, look. Hello, Iker. Remember to change your name, Iker. Wow, David's background says back to school. Nice, David. Look, you have a background there. Hello, Nestor. Hello, Jose Ramon. Jose Ramon is sitting down like he's so active and energetic.
No.
No, why not?
Because I want to play Kahoot.
You want to play Kahoot? Orlando is going to stretch himself. Look, and he's stretching the chair as well. Right, Orlando? Okay, so we are going to begin today, guys, with the Bible verse, the one that we are trying to read every single day. Now, I know that most of you have your Bible in Spanish. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Unfortunately, you don't have it in English. Okay, we're going to read a portion of Jeremiah chapter 31. Okay, supposedly we have to read from verses 10 through 17. Okay, 10 through 17. So there are 7 verses. Okay, but today we're not going to read the whole thing. We're just going to highlight, okay, parts of verses that are very important for us to remember. Okay, one of the verses, one of the parts is on verse 13. So listen what it says. I have it here. Miss Abreu has a Spanish-English Bible. Okay, so let's see what it says on 13. It says, I will turn their mourning into gladness. I will give them comfort and joy instead of sorrow. Now, why is this important for us to remember that he will give us gladness? That God gives us gladness. Why? Can someone tell me why is it important for us to remember? It says, I will turn their mourning. What is mourning? Does someone know what mourning is? Not mourning with O, it's morning. M-O-U-R-N-I-N-G, morning.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, mourning, guys, is like crying. When someone dies, you mourn, right? You mourn for about 7 days, okay? Or, well, if you miss that person, you're gonna mourn for more time, right? But mourning is crying, feeling sad, feeling depressed, okay? That is mourning. So he says that he will turn our sadness into gladness. I will give them comfort and joy instead of sorrow. Why is that important for us to remember? God will give us comfort and you will not feel sorrow. Why is it that important, guys, for us to remember that? Nobody knows, nobody answers. The crickets are sounding right now in this classroom. Well, I think that for me, if I apply it to our reality, okay, COVID-19 has brought a lot of mourning, right? Not only for those people who have lost family members, but also because we are not able to go out. We're not able to go to school. We're not able to go to do our normal things, right? Our normal activities. So it is important that to remember that God will comfort us, that God will bring a solution to everything and to all of this situation. Now, another part in verse 16 says, restrain your voice from weeping and your eyes from tears, for your work will be rewarded, declares the Lord. So if we work with excellence, right? If we try to be happy, if we try to be positive, okay, God will reward us, says the Bible. Also, another part in verse 17 says, so there is hope for your future. That means that we are not dead, that no, this is sometimes we tend to be so negative, right? We say, Miss Abrego, but these classes and this schedule and the 1,001 homeworks that we have to do, I and my dad and my mom that are always telling me what to do, that stresses me out. Yes, okay, that we are humans and that is normal, okay? But God offers hope, God offers comfort, and he says that we have to be hopeful for the future. So that means that we have to do everything with happiness. Okay, we have to try to do everything with intelligence and do our best in everything that we do. That is why we are learning, or we are practicing the value of excellence, right? In this month. Okay, so that is what Jeremiah chapter 31 wants us to know. Okay, so that is something that we need to put into practice. Okay, now the first thing that we're gonna do after reading the passage of the Bible is that we're gonna log into Kahoot because you guys wanted to play Kahoot, right? Yes. Yay, says Esther. Very good. So
Leandro is not here, Miss.
Yes, Leandro was the most interested in playing Kahoot.
Leandro was saying that he wants to play Kahoot and he is not.
Yes, I remember. I wonder.
Like the last day. Like the last day, he didn't come.
Oh, that song is like Halloween.
It sounds like Halloween.
Yes.
Oh, it's called Fantastic Song. Jose Ramon is already in. Angelina is already in. Hannah is already in. Very good, Hannah. Andrea. David. Sofia Soriano.
Miss Kahoot is in Spanish.
Well, it can be in Spanish or it can be in English. We're going to change it.
Because on top the code it says pin de juego.
Yes, we're going to change it. Look there. Yipin. Caitlin has a smiley face, a dog and a cat. Valeria. Nestor the Pro. Very good, Nestor.
Nestor what?
Alexandra.
Hello, Nestor Pro.
Maria Williams in a heart. I like that song. Edwin. We have 19 people. We're missing. How many do we have on the participants?
I can't play because I'm in the car.
You're in your car. All right. People, imagine how big this Abrego might be that you listen to me in a car as well. Okay, how many are we missing? We have 24 participants, so we're missing 4 people, guys. Come on. Angela, very good, Angela. Orlando, smiley face. Ewing, happy face. Very good. We're missing 3 people, and minus 1, 2, 3, 2 people. Okay, let's wait 1 more minute. 21, very
Sofia
good.
Lagos, me.
Sofia Lagos.
Just 21.
Someone is going on a car, so no, she's not gonna be able to load in. Okay, are we ready? On your mark.
No, wait.
Wait for me. Okay, wait for me. Okay, ready?
Oh, Miss, wait.
Yes.
Rebecca, come on, Rebecca. Let's load in. Let's log in. Let's log in, Rebecca.
Almost.
Almost. Great.
wait.
Jasa is in the house. Very good, Jasa.
23, yes.
Yeah,
23.
Good. And Rebecca, we just like this.
You say that one day we could put a like name that we want.
Yes.
Okay.
One of these days, we will do that. Okay, that you can use your nicknames. Your nicknames.
I have my nickname.
You have your nickname, Pro.
Because I play Minecraft and I have my nickname.
Joseph says there. Okay, at the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and
4.
Rebecca is here. Very good, Rebecca. Okay, we can
The
start.
last second.
Yep. Okay, the title is Matter. Okay, matter is a cat, my dad, a book, or everything around us. What is it?
That's so easy.
Mix, I got it wrong.
Easy breezy lemon squeezy, right? 4,
Yeah.
3.
Mix, I got it wrong. I click another one by accident.
Oh no, Esther. Oh no. You are the final one, Esther?
That was easy.
I clicked it wrong. I clicked it wrong.
Uh-oh. Gotta be careful with the clicks there. 21 people got it correct. I would be preoccupied if you got it wrong, guys. Joseph is the one that on the top. Jose Ramon on the second one. David on the third. Fourth is Maria and Alexandra on the fifth. Very good. 2 out of 10. Properties are characteristics. There are flaws. There are jokes, or there are none. Another one that is easy. What are properties of matter, guys? One and 0. Uh-oh, no, not everybody answered.
Yeah.
17 people told me that they were characteristics. One person told me that they were flaws. You know what a flaw is? A negative aspect. And 2 people told me it was none. Uh-oh, properties are characteristics, guys.
Miss, you're lag.
My what?
You're lag.
Your what?
Lag.
Lag, what is that?
Is that in the games we say lag, like we have bad internet?
You have what?
When in the games we say lag when we have bad internet.
When you have bad internet. Oh, I'm sorry. So I have a bad internet connection.
Yeah, because how do you say?
I get, my picture is frozen?
Yes.
Oh no. Okay, Angelina, you're on your way.
I have bad luck.
You measure length in kilograms, pounds, meters, or seconds. How do you measure length?
I think I got it wrong.
Uh-oh. 3, 2, 1, and 0. You measure it in meters.
Yeah, I got it
guys.
correct.
Yes. How are you going to measure it in kilograms? 2 people? And how are you supposed to measure it in pounds? It is not something that weighs. Okay. It is distance. Okay. Distance. So you measure it in meters. Very good. Hannah, you're going up. It says there, has a streak with 3 correct answers in a row.
So that I came late because of the internet again. Oh.
No. We were wondering where you were since you were the most enthusiastic about playing Kahoot.
Yeah, no, there are 2 times I haven't made a hood because of the internet.
Oh no.
I am in 5th place.
Okay, let's see, 4 out of 10. To measure weight, what object should we use? A scale, a watch, a ruler, or a test tube? To measure weight, how heavy
I got
something
it
is.
wrong, miss, for accident.
No, Nando, no. 1 and 0. A scale, guys. Okay, 8 people told me that a ruler. How are you gonna measure weight with a ruler, guys?
Miss, is that for accident? I put ruler.
on the podium.
Orlando, I know what you're feeling right now.
Okay, so can someone explain to me how are you gonna measure weight or how heavy something is with a ruler, guys?
I'm on the podium.
And 7 people told me that with a test tube. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, Jonathan is on fire. Look, Jonathan. You're burning like the fire clap.
We need to talk to the bombers.
To the fire.
Bombers.
To the firefighters, Nestor, not to the bombers. When you say bombers, they are people who put bombs.
Correct answer, God.
Leandro has so bad
Not
internet.
to the bombers.
No, not to the bombers. These are firefighters, not bombers, guys. Bombers are people who put bombs. Jonathan is laughing. Okay, Sophia is on the 2nd. Joseph is on the 3rd. Jose Ramon on the 4th. And Alexandra. Girls, what is happening to us? Sophia is only there. Oh no.
Alexandra is 5th.
True or false? Liquids are measured in liters or milliliters. Liquids such as water or juice, they are measured in liters or milliliters. Correct. True or false? Correct or incorrect?
Is S. Put it back. S.
We 19 people got it right. 3 people, uh-oh. The Lions. To the Lions. Joseph is moving up. Alexandra is on the 3rd. Sophia fell to the 4th. And Valeria is on the 5th. 6 out of 10 says choose the correct property for a brick. Okay, it is soft, it is rough, it is shiny, or it smells like roses. Easy, guys. A brick. Remember.
Please, I have all the answers correct.
Great. Okay, 15 people got it correct. Now let's remember, guys, that a brick is with something that you make a house, right? And we saw it in the last class. Okay, so a brick cannot be soft because if not, the house would fall down. It is not shiny because it is made of soil. And it doesn't smell like roses because it is made of soil. So the only property that is rough. Okay, if you touch it,
Like roses.
it doesn't smell like roses, right?
Correct.
Okay, let's see. Jonathan. Wow, Jonathan, you're on fire. You have been in the first place for most of the game, Jonathan. Very good. Okay, 7 out of 10. True or false? Objects can't share any properties. True or false? They can't. They cannot, it says there. True or false?
Please, I put it bad.
Orlando, what's happening to you?
I put it back.
Okay, 15 people got it correct. It is false.
I thought it was
What? I put it. Instead, I put false, and I think that was bad.
No, it is false because objects, they can share properties. They can have properties in common. Okay, there are many things that are soft, There are many things that are shiny. There are many things that are, I don't know, flexible. There are many
fire.
On fire. Okay, let's see. Who's on fire? What happened to you, Jonathan?
I got it wrong.
Oh no! Joseph is on the first place now.
I am on
Alexandra, what happened to the on fire boy?
Well, miss.
To the fiery boy. Okay, let's continue. 8 out of 10. All of them are properties of a metal coin, except it is shiny, it is hard, it is flexible, or it smells like metal.
I already see the answer. I already saw it.
What is one that is not the property of a coin? One.
I'm like, no, I have it bad.
Oh my gosh, only 6 people thought correctly. A metal coin, guys. It is shiny, yes, because it is made of metal, okay? 2, it is hard because it is also made of metal, and it is flexible. If it is hard, can it be flexible, people? Okay, it is flexible. That is the characteristic of, that is not from a metal coin. It cannot,
that I am not understanding the question.
is that you don't read them correctly. It says all of them are properties of a metal coin except, okay, you have to read the question correctly. Angela is on the first.
No. What happened to you, Joseph? What happened to you?
It's only 10 points.
9 out of 10. A property can be color, true or false. Easy. If that you don't have everything correct, then to the lions, guys. To the lions.
And that means we'll put you to do 100 pechadas.
Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. What? What happened to just 5 people? Come on, guys.
I'll do 100 pechadas.
5 people are gonna have to do them, definitely.
I think it was.
Okay.
Please, I got up.
A property can be colored, definitely. It is something that your eyes see. So yes,
I was
it's a
in
property.
Like this.
Because properties are kind of adjectives.
Exactly. So Angela is on fire, and
Please,
Joseph
I'm back.
are back. On the third.
Joseph.
Okay, last but not least, 10 out of 10. 1 uses its senses to gather properties. True or false? 1 uses its senses to gather properties.
I don't
True
do
or false? And that is true. Yes, guys. You smell with your nose. You see with your eyes. You listen with your ears. So all of those things are properties. Okay?
Please, can we play again because Leandro didn't play.
Yeah.
I feel bad for Leandro.
Leandro needs to be on time. Leandro.
In the horrible internet.
Maria is on the third. Angela is on the second.
Joseph.
Joseph is on the first place. Jonathan, almost. What happened to Jonathan?
I'm mad.
Look, Joseph, camera.
You are mad with Joseph.
No, I'm mad.
Look, Joseph, camera. He's crazy. He's frantic.
Joseph, I don't see Joseph, first of all. Joseph is missing in action.
Go.
Joseph, where are you?
There's nobody.
Jonathan,
Yeah,
what happened to you, Jonathan?
It's only the picture, Miss.
Ah,
That I don't
It's
understand.
only the picture.
it's only the picture of what?
Must win.
Play nothing, Kahoot.
He is
Please
Valeria.
put it again.
There is Valeria.
I don't see Joseph.
Miss, please play again.
We're gonna play
I
again
feel bad.
tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
No, me to play today, please.
No, we have to work, guys. We have to work.
Leandro,
Leandro didn't play. I feel bad.
Leandro, patear your internet.
This is my red.
You need new,
I will
like just like Miss Abrego needs a new computer and a new connection.
Orlando.
Joseph.
He's turning crazy.
Where is Joseph? I don't see Joseph.
Joseph goes,
Joseph,
I think.
There it is.
Joseph,
Taking what he throws.
Joseph, I can only see the wall of your room.
he's dormido.
He was frantic.
Okay, guys.
Frantic. Oh my god.
I almost
Oh my
win.
God, I have alarm.
Almost.
He go running because he win for
I
first
was
time in Kahoot.
From
I think Joseph in third grade
he
never
go
win a Kahoot
Joseph is
game.
sleeping.
Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do, listen up everyone, listen up, chop chop. Kahoot is over. Right now we're gonna watch a video about materials and their properties, okay? So let's turn it back to the beginning because Miss Abrego was watching it.
Yeah.
You use objects every single day, but have you ever thought about what they are made of? Why are some bendy? And some are really hard? Or why are some smooth and shiny? And some bumpy and rough? When it comes to the objects around us, they can be very different from one another. Can you think of some materials you see in the classroom or at home? You might have come up with materials like glass, wood, plastic, metal, paper, fabrics, or rubber. Do you know what the properties of some of these materials are? You might know that wood is hard. Plastic is waterproof. Fabrics and rubber are flexible. And metal is strong and resistant. Do you know how some of these are used and why they are chosen to make objects with? Objects are made from materials that are specially chosen depending on the purpose. This is because materials have special properties that help them do their job. Take this umbrella for example. The handle is made from hard materials, while the umbrella shield is often made from plastic. The hard materials were used for the handle because it is strong and perfect for supporting the top of the umbrella. And the plastic was chosen because it is waterproof and light, which lets the rain drip off while allowing you to carry it easily. Why do you think we use glass for windows and reading glasses? You've probably already guessed it, because you can see through it. These objects wouldn't be much use if they were made of wood, would they? You may have noticed by now that our clothes are made out of special materials as well, and these materials also have unique properties. Can you guess what materials your clothes are made of? They might be cotton, which is a fabric that helps you stay cool on a hot day. Or they might be made from wool, which is very good at keeping you warm on those cold winter days. What do you think would happen if you wore a t-shirt made from metal? Well, that would just be silly, wouldn't it? You wouldn't even be able to move. Can you now see why we choose certain materials for our clothing? They let us move easily and stay comfortable because they are flexible. and help us keep warm or cool, depending on the weather. Now, which of these houses is different from the others? Of course, it's the house made out of flimsy paper that is different. Have you ever seen a house built from paper? No way! When it comes to building houses, we need to use tough materials such as bricks, glass, wood, and cement so that they stay standing for a long time and don't blow over in the wind. Now that you know about materials and their awesome properties, I wonder if...
Kenneth, tell me, you have something to say? Yes, you may go to the bathroom, Kenneth. Okay, so there are many, well, matter, first of all, matter is everything that we have around us. Everything that we have around us is made of different things, right? They are
made of matter.
Matter. There is a song, right?
No, you say.
Put one song of matter, please. One song of matter.
Okay, so matter is made of different things that have different properties. For example, wood, we have metal, we have
That's solid matter.
we have plastic, we have all of these different things, water, and matter comes in 3 different states. The first is solid, the second one is liquid, and the third one is gas. Correct. Okay, so now let's go to your books. The baby is saying hello there. Valeria Colindres, that is your sister, or who is that, Valeria?
It's my niece.
Oh, it's your niece. How interesting. Look, Valeria has a niece and she's so small. Okay, so let's go to page 10. Page 10 in your books. Okay, page 10. Okay, and we're gonna look at the part that says, can you tell them apart? On pages 10 and 11. You have your books there, right? Okay, pages 10 and 11. Can you tell them apart? There you have bricks, A and B. Now, if you look just from the top of your head, you say 10 and 11. Pages 10 and 11. Now, if you just look at the picture, you will say, Miss Abrego, but they are the same. They are 2 bricks that are exactly the same. So let's look what it says. It says every material has physical properties that you can use to describe it. You can use these properties to tell one material from another. These 2 blocks have the same length, the same width, and the same height. One block is made of wood and the other block is made of steel. How can you tell them apart? Well, we're gonna evaluate the properties that each of them has. If we look on page 11, okay, we see that block A, yes, block A weighs 500 grams. The block B weighs 7,500 grams. So there is a visible difference between A and B, right? So they have different masses. There is a big difference in mass between them. And the second, how hard are they? In the case of block A, you can put a nail into it. In the case of B, okay, you cannot. So which one do you think is the one that is made of steel? A or B?
B.
Well, first of all, we know that B is heavier. That B, you cannot put a nail into it. So the one that is made of steel is B. Okay, so there you should shade with your pencil or whatever you have there. You should shade B. It says which?
Tell me if it's all black.
No, because on the bottom you have 2 that are white. So you're going to shade the one is letter B.
The practice book, right?
Yes.
But then the science book, the practice book.
Science has already the activities inside.
I forgot we were in science.
We are in science. So which block is made of wood and which block is made of steel? Shade in the block you think is made of steel. Okay, so we already know that the one that is made of steel is B because it is heavier and it is harder. describe how you can identify the material of the blocks. How can you identify it? Which one is wood and which one is steel?
With the weight.
Okay, because of the weight. Because you can compare weights and you can compare how hard they are. Hardness, okay, because of the weight. And 2, because of hardness, how hard they are. We already know that B is made of steel. Okay, so there on the lines, you're going to write, I can compare the weight and hardness. I can compare weight and hardness.
Miss World, I hit him.
What? I'm sorry?
What?
What? On the line on page 11. On page 11, on the line that you have there, okay, you're going to write, I can compare the weight and hardness in order to know which is wood and which is steel. And we say that we are going to shade because block B is the one that is made of steel. So we're gonna shade it with your pencil. Okay, got it?
Miss, we're gonna shade with the pencil letter A.
No, that is not the one that is made of wood, honey. That is the, I'm sorry, that's the one that is made of wood. B is the one that is made of steel because it weighs more and the nail cannot be put into it. All right? Now we understand? Yes? Okie dokie. For tomorrow, guys, we're gonna stop here. Listen what we are gonna do because science is the first class that we have tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to go to
Play Kahoot.
30. No, we're not gonna play in science because we already did today. Maybe we can play Kahoot in spelling before the test. Okay, because we have a spelling test tomorrow. Okay, we have a homework which you have to have already done and a quiz tomorrow.
Every Friday we're having spelling quiz.
Yes, we are having the spelling quiz. Okay.
In Friday we have history.
Yes, we do have history.
And we are going to make the classwork.
Exactly. We're gonna do the classwork then. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day. We have no more classes, right?
I will do that.
And hopefully tomorrow, Leandro, you can.
Sorry.
Yes. And if not, I'm gonna destroy the.
I think we have math then also this class.
Yes, you have math.
We have
Math.
math and then Spanish.
Yes, correct. You have special classes today. Okay, guys, have a nice day. Bless you all. See you tomorrow. Bye. God bless you all.
Bye.